Hello, and welcome to TechAutomated. Well, it's no exaggeration to say that drones have changed the way we view the world. They've taken once difficult and expensive movie-making techniques and made them accessible to anyone. Videos that once required a camera crew, expensive cranes, and hours of filming can now be done in minutes by the best drones with a tap of a single auto takeoff button. In this video, we will show you the top 6 drones that you can buy in 2020. Let us know in the comments below which of these awesome drones you're planning on buying. Let's begin the countdown. Number 6, DJI MAVIC Mini. DJI's MAVIC Mini is a serious drone with really great features at a price that doesn't break the bank. It flies nearly as well as its larger siblings, though wind that wouldn't phase the MAVIC 2 Pro will ground the Mini. There is also no 4K video and no front and rear collision avoidance sensors like you'll find on more expensive drones. Despite those caveats, the MAVIC Mini remains our top entry-level drone. It's fun to fly, shoots video at 2.7K, and packs up smaller than many smartphones. That last bit is key because the best drone is the one you can actually bring with you. At a mere 249 grams, it's easy to take the MAVIC Mini everywhere you go. Number 5, PARROT ANAFI. With a camera that tilts a full 180 degrees, a Hitchcock-style dolly mode, and built-in zoom, the PARROT ANAFI can shoot some footage no other drone on this page can manage. The downside is the footage isn't as sharp and clear as what you'll get from DJI drones. Out of the box, the ANAFI is very sluggish to fly, but head into settings and bump up the speed and it will fly just as well as more expensive options. Flight time is a solid 25 minutes and it's hands down the quietest drone we've ever flown. Remember, if you like the content of this video, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell down below so you don't miss exciting and informative videos like these when they are posted. Number 4, SYMA X20 Mini Drone. If you've invested more than $1,000 in your drone, you'd be crazy not to be a little nervous. One of the best ways to get over that is to practice with a cheap drone like my favorite toy drone from SYMA Toys. The X20 is sold in a variety of configurations and rebranded by several companies, but it's all the same basic hardware. Don't pay more than $40. Be careful about flying indoors as it can hurt if it hits you. Ouch! Number 3, PROPEL Star Wars X-Wing Starfighter. PROPEL's X-Wing fighter drone is a great drone for Star Wars fans. The best part is it has a battle mode, so you can fly against friends and try to shoot them down. Get hit 3 times with the IR beam and your drone will auto-land. Unfortunately, these have a learning curve when it comes to flying. A little tap of the control stick goes a long way, and ours had a habit of flying off at an angle immediately on takeoff. Holding a position is also a lost cause, but once you master the sensitive controls, they are fun to fly and fight. Number 2, DJI MAVIC Air. If you want to step up from the MAVIC Mini but don't need all the features of the much more expensive MAVIC Pro, the MAVIC Air is a drone for you. It's incredibly small, light, and portable, and it has 2-way front and rear obstacle avoidance. You also get 4K video and some very handy intelligent flight modes that you won't find in the MAVIC Mini. It won't stay airborne for quite as long as 21 minutes versus 26 in our testing for the MAVIC Mini, but everything else is a definite step up. Number 1, DJI MAVIC 2 Pro. DJI's MAVIC 2 is in a class of its own and is the best drone you can buy right now. The image and video quality are amazing, and the ability to travel and track objects at 45 miles per hour means you're not going to miss a shot. The omnidirectional obstacle avoidance will keep you out of trees, and the 25-minute flying time means you can stay aloft longer. It's expensive, but in this case, you get what you pay for. So it is worth the money, and that is why it tops the list of our top 6 drones that you can buy in 2020, because it's time for some upgrade. Are you planning to buy any one of them, or you already own any one of them? Let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, then give this video a thumbs up and share it with your techie friends, because they can't miss out on such important information. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Automated. We will see you in the next exciting video. Till then, take care and stay connected. Thanks for watching the video.